Yeah, man, may I bless up everybody, you see it, and may I big up every real woman on the labor day, you see it, man. Yo, may I burn off ladies, them will take up the people, them boy, picking them and tie them down in life, you see it. Every day you have a Queenie still, you see it, you know, so her teeth and broke off, so you don't know she went to Spain to get it sorted out, you see it, and you don't know she ever cry about Russia anytime she talk about her daughter. She ever break down and just start cry still, you see it, for you don't know her belly pain that, you see me. No matter when nobody wants to say, she have to feel hurt. Yeah, man. But you don't know people, as I say, she do them thing for people sorry for her still now. But Queenie a star, I think she need nothing sorry for still. You see me? So if you're new around here, the golden rule, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see. And if it's a returning viewers, just go and drop a like and leave a comment before you go. You see me? Anything you forward by your mind, just speak it is social media. Big up on yourself and all.
So when free that, the driver can't free that, the driver have to tune them and play from top to bottom. All of them have. Some of them don't even know me song them, and the driver have all of them and them are Spanish. And I should have shame on yourself. For royal crazy. See them nice, see? The driver have all of my music. Invited Ariane if you're concerned. Welcome the Queen of Dancer. Pop, pop, popcorn, pop up. Amen. I hear this. I sent Thomas, but I will be saved by the grace of God. Nobody not scare me. Some people just have complication. It's life. Some come through, some pull through, and some don't. No fear, no fear, no fear. Me and God are gonna go to them. Yes, get back my nice, beautiful smile. Yeah? You know, I drive out there, you know. I fix up, but I care zero my day. So outside there, I watch the road. You know, I go fix our tea. I live in I'll remember wrong. Why Queenie? Life is such a balance, man. My mama put me on balling, man. Me and my first one. And that little girl that love me, you know. It come like I went to dead, me so she loved me. Like the dead was dead. I saw me so she idolize me. Everything she said, Queenie, St. Thomas girl in there, lucky girl, you can't do this, you get through. Everything that little girl egg me on with, she boots me. Hey, me love myself, I rate myself still, you know. Because me I tell you, you know, man. I stand up strong, you know. I think me that break, you know. But me have to live, she said to be happy, she said, me don't change. She writes in her book, I said, mommy, don't change. Mommy, be happy. I think I that keep me strong. Every time I remember, she said, me not to change. She love when me crazy. Don't change for nothing, mom. Be happy. Watch that, watch that, listen. As my time over, I'm crying. Still hurt, you know, it's still hurt. No matter how much jump and prance, no matter how much country I go, no matter how much, you know, it's so full every time. Remember, my pretty, she just did it no time, so that made me stronger still, you know. I make my rain more, you know. Right for my birthday, it's toxic. You see that? All in there, run the left first, I'm Mr. Rush, run the left, you know. She said, no, ma'am, go and do it after the Mr. I'm scared. She said, my pretty son, I'm scared. I couldn't be with some that I suffer some. Father God, give me one day. She deteriorate to nothing. When I search, I'm afraid for the parachute. I'm have to put on that brave face Put on that brave face and go into the hospital bed. Lie down in the bed with her, Mr. Roro. I run all the feet, She said, go, mom, go and do what you have to do. And she wait for me, She wait for me. One day I come the Wednesday. I come the 5th of September. For the day month. The 5th of October, I come back and she did the 6th. As I come, I jump in at the bed, I'm say, I come back and sit here. That time our last little breath I left in her.
Hello. Oh, yeah, man.
I'm so crazy. Yeah, man, I miss my better man. From the 2nd of December, from my birthday, when that's called me and said, Mommy, we'll be there. Me I say, who did I want? She said, I'm so Rachel, I'm all star. I did not have my opinion, but it's alright. Every time I have them there. But I think I should just get up just, well, am I thinking I don't care, my opinion. The nurse come the same day when I come from Jamaica. The hospice. But you know, I should have suffered so much. It was a nightmare for such a family. Rush, me know you're up at heaven and look down on me. You hear that? I go through so much in our life and still stand up. That's why I love myself, You see, self-love, it's beautiful. Stand up strong, see me and get on with life. But me I tell you, I'm my heart, inside I'm sore. Sore. Life is pain. No pain, no gain. I hold my daughter. When she said the last word in her mouth, she said, Mommy, I'm sorry. I said, Rachel, what you sorry for? That time I don't know I did my penny, I got it now. Rachel, what you sorry for? I'm going to get up on her rubber, I'm just, she start gapping. When you know what it is to watch your daughter gap until the last breath, but I'm still proud of myself, And when the ambulance comes, she's still breathing a little less in her. Yeah, my titty, that's when I bury her, the butterfly. I see requesting out to show her butterfly, show her dove. Girl bury herself, I mean, send the flower, send the flower. When she used to work, when she got the flowers, she bring them for me. Anyway, the older penny that were back. Anyway, she go and some flowers. She said it. She bring it. This is the butterfly, probably to the butterfly pitch. When me I bury her, butterfly would have left my teacher. I said, which time? Rachel used to take my breath. I said, Mama, what breath? I said, Rachel, love me, no, Rachel, leave. Sometimes I get all ignorant. The way she antagonize me. I don't understand. Okay, no problem. Listen, man. Memories don't live like people do, innit? She write in her book, she wants to start a 6-man family for carry her coffin. She want to wear white. So I have a lot to give God thanks for saving because she could have did and I make no request, And she said, Mom, don't change for anything. Be yourself and be happy. I wish that's what I'm doing, Russ. Be happy. Come out of the mode there, Queenie. Jesus. Come out of this mode there, Queenie. I'm going to want different mood for her. I love Rush. Rush love me. What a happy family. With a kiss and a hug for me to Rush. What I say she loves. May wait for the next driver to come get me. Father Abraham, listen, I will tell my to sing Father Abraham. But say, when I was main memories with me and I went because Tim brought that funeral, I go sing Father Abraham with the man. God, the people them dead, I'm just a sing song. It's a drive for Father Abraham of many sons, of Father Abraham, and I am one of them, and so are you. So let us praise the Lord. Right on Father Rachel cracks up every time she said, Mom, that's not a funeral. But some don't care, my life not the place. One of our favorite memory with me and I, man, Rory, you know, man. Jim Reeves, when we go home later, when we reach at the hotel, I play Jim Reeves for sure. Oh, yes, we thank the Lord for every power. Bird sing, sisters sing, and every life of the wings. We thank thee each moment as we kneel and pray. I want to talk to me. Yeah, man, somebody talk to me.